Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring the stunning Gaylord Palms Resort and Convention Center in Kissimmee, Florida. And I'm taking you on a tour of the spacious, luxurious Emerald Bay Atrium-Facing King Room. Yeah, y'all, they got a water park at this place, y'all. Now, let's go ahead and get ready to dive in to this wonderful room. Let's check it out. All right, we're in 6343. We're entering the room. It is really spacious. Got a little tile floor, a nice closet right when you walk in. Inside that closet is the ironing board and the iron. Y'all see me in the mirror? Yep. Has a nice flat LCD TV. Now, a little coffee maker. I did have trouble with that TV, y'all, trying to stream my apps, my Netflix and everything, because I had to catch up on my Bridgerton, but I couldn't catch up on my Bridgerton, so that was an issue, okay? So I did love the restroom. The restroom was really nice because I loved the spa-like feeling. I love the lighted mirror, the nice shower, the tile, the spa-like amenities there. You had your shower gel, your shampoo, and your conditioner. Had a nice seat for you to sit down on. If you want to relax or when you're shaving your legs or whatnot. Nice toilet, 3-piece. There, a nice bed. You had your 2 lamps, your tables. There was a cushiony chair, oversized chair over there to the side of the bed for seating. It looked a little dingy, y'all. So I don't know what was up with that, but whatever. It was a little dinge. I think it's seen better days, but I guess if you want to curl up with a book or whatever, you can do that. Also up by the TV, if you're standing in the room looking at the TV, to the left, you will see a desk and a chair. So if you wanted to do some work, you definitely could do that. But I wasn't there for that. You know what I was there for? A staycation, because your girl is tired. Because my best thing, y'all, was walking out on that balcony because I did not expect it. I did not expect that. And I was like, oh, yes, giving me Grease vibes. And down there, y'all, I'm going to put it in here. Not only was it stunning to look at, they had a nightly light show. There were restaurants down there. And also there was alligators, real alligators down there, y'all. It was so nice. Super nice. And I would highly, highly recommend this resort. If you want to do a staycation or if you want to bring your family, this is right outside of the gates of Walt Disney World, folks. So check it out. If you're looking for something luxurious, check this place out. If you're having a convention, check it out. I mean, if you're planning a trip to Florida, Orlando metro area, this is it. It's a whole vibe. I'm telling you, it is a whole vibe. And be sure to subscribe because I'm going to be dropping videos of the rest of my time at this resort. Y'all, it's unbelievable. Okay. So like, comment, and subscribe. And you will not miss the next video. Okay. Thank you so very much for checking out this video and staying in tuned with me, y'all. I appreciate you. Bye.